Good morning, everybody. I don't even know if I'm going to upload this class, but I'm not motivated to stretch or do yoga on my own. So it's going to keep me somewhat honest. So we will try to practice a short morning kind of flow that gets us warm, stretched. We'll start in a standing position. And inhale, bring the arms up overhead, and exhale, bring them to heart center. We'll inhale, bringing the arms up overhead. And exhale, folding forward, grabbing the opposite elbow in ragdoll position. I need to do this so I know what time it is. Sorry, guys. and rocking forward and back, side to side. Releasing the hands, taking the right leg back. Inhaling here, exhale, dropping the right knee. And slowly inhaling up into a low crescent lunge. Sinking into that right hip flexor. Inhaling here. And exhale, planting the palms, straightening that left leg. And then bending the left knee, tucking the right toes under, lifting the left arm up, twisted lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale the left palm down, taking it back to a plank pose. Inhale and plank. Exhale, either knees, chest, chin, or straight chaturanga. Inhale, baby cobra, upward dog. And exhale back to a downward facing dog. Pedaling the legs out. Inhale, left leg up. And exhale, left foot between the hand. Again, the right knee comes down. Inhale, low crescent lunge. Exhale, palms down. Straightening the left leg. Bending the left knee, tucking the right toes under, twisting over to the right, left. Planting the palms back to a plank. Inhale, plank, exhale, chaturanga, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, upward dog. And exhale, back to a downward facing dog, pedaling the legs out. Inhale, bending your knees. Exhale, walking your feet to the top of the mat. Inhale as you look up, and exhale, folding forward. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, look up. Exhale, the left leg comes back. Inhale, left knee down to the mat. And exhale, rising up into your low crescent lunge. Inhaling here and exhaling. And slowly the palms come down, straighten the right leg. Then the hamstring stretch here. Bending the right knee, tucking the left toes under. Inhale as you turn up, twisting over to the right. And exhale, planting the palms back to a plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, taking that right leg up. And exhale, the right foot between the hands. The left knee comes down. Inhale, low crescent lunge. Exhale, palms down. Straighten the right leg. Bend the right knee, tucking the left toes under. Inhale, looking over to the right. And exhale, planting the palm back to a plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. And exhale, back to a downward facing dog. Inhale, coming back to a plank. Exhale, we're going to take 4 yogi push-ups to warm ourselves up some more. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. And exhale, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, bend your knees, gazing between your hands. And exhale, walking or hopping those feet to the hands. Inhale as you look up. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, sitting in chair pose, Utkatasana. Inhaling here. And exhale, sinking lower into that chair pose. Inhale. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale as you look up. Exhale, maybe hopping your feet back to a chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, the right leg up. Exhale, the right foot between the hands, warrior one. Planting the palms back to a 3-legged down dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, your variation. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot between the hands, warrior one. Inhaling here. Exhale, palms down. Back to a three-legged down dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bending your knees, gazing between your hands. And exhale, floating your feet to your hands. Inhale, look up. And exhale, folding forward. Inhale, sitting into your chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right foot between the hands, high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, hands to the heart center. And coming up into a warrior three. Inhaling. Exhale, hugging the left knee into the chest. Inhale, back to a warrior three. And exhale, hugging left knee into the chest. So practicing our balance on the right leg. Inhale, warrior three. And exhale. This time, not hugging your knee into your chest, but kicking your left leg straight out. Inhaling here. And exhale, bending the knee. Back to a warrior three into a standing split. Inhaling here. Exhale, left hand to the left hip. Twisting and opening to the left. Inhale. And exhale, bending the right knee. Back to a warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, straightening the right leg, coming into a triangle pose. Inhale in triangle. And exhale, folding forward. Inhale, bending the right knee. Exhale, right leg to a three-legged down dog. Bend your knee, open the hip, slowly flipping your dog. Inhaling here. Exhale, the right arm comes down, back to a three-legged down dog. Inhale, bring your right knee to your right elbow. Exhale, maybe coming into your Ekapada Konasana. And maybe back to a chin stand. Back to your Ekapada Konasana. And back to a plank or chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, the left leg up. And exhale, the left foot between the hands, high lunge. Inhaling here. And exhale, coming into your warrior three. Inhale, hugging your right knee into your chest. Exhale, warrior three. Inhale, right knee into the chest. And exhale, warrior three. Inhale, right knee into your chest. Exhale, kicking that leg straight out in front. Inhaling here. And exhale, the right leg comes back, warrior three. Planting the palms into a standing split. Inhale, right hand to right hip. And exhale, looking over to your, coming into Ardha Chandrasana. Inhale here. Exhale, back to a warrior two. Inhales, reverse the warrior. And exhale, straightening that left leg and coming into a triangle pose. Inhaling here. And exhale. Folding forward, bending that left leg. Left leg comes back to a three-legged down dog. Bend your knee, open your hip on an exhale, flipping the dog. Left arm up and over. Planting the left palm back down. Left leg comes up. Inhale, bring your left knee to your left elbow. Exhale, maybe coming into the arm balance. Maybe coming into a chin stand. And back to the arm balance. And chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog, pedaling line out. Inhale, bend your knees, gazing between your hands. And exhale, floating your feet to your hands. Inhale, look up. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, the arms up overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up overhead. And exhale, sitting into a chair pose. Inhaling here. Exhale, sitting a little bit lower. Inhale. Exhale, sitting a little bit lower. And a little bit lower. Trying to sit all the way down, but without touching the mat. Inhale here. Exhale, slowly rise. So engaging your quadriceps. Inhale. Exhale, planting the palms, maybe coming into a crow pose if it's in your practice. So you're gonna bring your knees to your triceps, slowly they come up. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, maybe floating those legs back, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in through your nose. And out through your mouth. On inhale, the right leg comes up. Exhale, the right foot between your hands. Inhale into your high lunge. Exhale, left arm underneath the right. Inhale, look up. Exhale, slowly shifting forward, bringing that left leg over the right and coming into an eagle wrap. Inhale here and exhale, folding forward. Inhale. Exhale, left leg comes back behind you. Coming into your standing split, releasing the palms. Inhale, look up. Exhale. You're going to hug your left knee into your chest. Bring your left heel into your right hip crease. Inhale, hands to heart center. And exhale, folding forward. Inhale. And exhale. Maybe coming into your flying pigeon. Tucking your head, slowly coming into your tripod. Coming back to your flying pigeon. Tucking your head, slowly coming into your tripod. So it's a workout for the core, your arms. Inhale here. Exhale, coming back to your flying pigeon. And then bringing the right foot down, folding over again. Inhale here. Exhale, benefiting from the deep stretch in that right hip. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Inhale, left peace fingers to the left big toe. Exhale as you extend the left leg out to the side. Inhale here. Exhale, bring the left foot forward. Right hand to the outside of the left foot, twisting over to the left. Inhale here. And exhale. Slowly hugging the left knee into the chest, bringing the left leg back to your warrior three. Inhaling here. And exhale, we'll just take the right foot behind. Inhale back up. Exhale, you'll bend the right knee when you do this. Just slowly tap the left foot to the side. Inhale. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Slowly looking up and exhale, coming back to your high lunge. Inhaling here. And exhale, your palms come down. And slowly you'll come back to your plank. We'll take 4 chaturanga push-ups. Inhale here. Exhale, plank. Inhale here. Exhale, plank. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, slowly coming up. And exhale. Coming into your downward facing dog. Inhaling here. And exhale. And on inhale, taking the left leg up. Exhale, left foot between the hands. Coming into your high lunge. Inhale, right arm underneath the left. Exhale, elbows away from the chest. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, right leg up and around. Coming into your bind. Inhale, look up. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale here. Exhale, right leg back. Palms come down. You're in your standing split. Inhale here. And exhale, you'll slowly hug the right knee into the chest. And then bring the right heel to the left hip crease, hands to heart center. Inhale here. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale. Exhale. Maybe coming into your flying pigeon. Slowly tucking the head and coming into your tripod. Inhale here. And exhale, coming back to your flying pigeon. Inhale. Exhale back to your tripod. And inhale. And exhale, coming back to your flying pigeon. Slowly the left leg comes down, folding over that left leg. Inhale here. And exhale. And then you'll inhale, you'll bring your hands to your heart center. Exhale, slowly coming up. Right peace fingers, right big toe. And you'll extend the right leg out to the side. Inhale. And exhale, right foot back to center. Taking the left hand to the outside of the right foot. Gazing over the right. Inhaling here. And exhaling. Slowly, you'll hug your right knee into your chest. And you'll come back to warrior three. Back to your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, planting the palms. And you'll come back to your plank pose. And inhale, putting your weight on the right side, shifting over, coming into to side plank pose. Vashisthasana. Inhale, maybe taking your left piece finger, drawing the left big toe as you extend that left leg up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale, you bring that left foot forward and take your twist over to the left. Inhaling here. Exhale, left hand to the inside that left foot and coming down to a lizard pose. Rocking forward and back, getting a stretch. Inhaling. And exhaling. Inhale. And exhale. And then slowly your palms come back into the mat. You'll take your left leg back to meet the right. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, plank. Exhale, coming over into your left. The right arm comes up. Coming into your side plank. Inhaling here. Exhale, maybe the peace fingers take the right big toe. Inhale. And exhale. Oh, we forgot something on the other side. Inhale. Exhale, the right foot between your hands. Looking over, coming into your low twisted lunge. Inhaling here. And exhale. Palm comes to the inside. Coming into lizard. We forgot our balance is on the other side. Don't worry, we'll get some. Rocking forward and back. Inhaling here. And exhaling. Then your palms come down. They'll come back to a plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale that left leg up. Exhale, left foot between the hands. Coming into your standing split. And inhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Exhale, bending the left knee. The right toes come back. Inhale, up. And exhale, bend. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, up. And exhale, bend. Inhale, up. Exhale, right foot comes to meet the left. Hands up and over. Inhaling. And exhale, folding forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, planting the palms. You may be taking flight as you come back into a chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhaling here. And exhaling. And then inhale, we'll come forward into a plank. We'll bring our wrists, so our palms are facing, our fingers are facing inward. We're going to come into a peacock. So you're going to bend your elbows into your abdomen and slowly, you can do whatever you want with your feet. Your head's up and your legs are up. And then taking it back, undoing your wrists. You're in plank pose. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hey, buddy. Oh, thanks.
I thought you might be mad at me because I took all the other blocks.
Oh, that's okay.
So here's two, and I'm pretty sure that's all you're gonna need.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks, buddy. Inhaling here. And exhale, bend your knees, gaze in between your hands, and floating your feet to the top of your hands. Inhale, look up, exhale, folding forward. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, look up. And exhale, planting the palms and maybe taking a little bit of flight as you jump into a chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. And slowly you're going to bring your forearms down to the mat into a dolphin pose. You'll inhale here and exhale. You can either stay here or maybe coming into your forearms down. Or the dog here. And taking any variation, breathing into the pose. Lifting the legs. Practicing our balance, maybe bending the legs. And lifting. Slowly coming back down. Coming into a wide-legged child pose. Inhale, bring your hands over to the right side. Exhale here. Inhale, bring them over to the left side and exhale. When inhale, slowly crawling forward, coming into your upward facing dog. Inhale and exhale, downward facing dog. On an inhale, bring that right leg up. Exhale, the right foot between the hands, paralleling your feet to the sidewall. Inhale, look up, and exhale, folding forward. Inhale, walking your hands over the right leg, and exhale, folding over the right leg. Inhale, walking down. And I might have to stop now. But continue your stretching practice if you can. Maybe coming into splits. What's the matter, Ruby? Hi.
Voy a wait.